In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google two-step verification to protect your Google Workspace account 5 minutes. This walkthrough is for Google Workspace administrators who want to enable stronger security without disrupting their team. Two-step verification, sometimes called 2SV or 2FA, adds a second check after the password, making it much harder for attackers to get in even if a password is compromised. Start by signing in to the Google Admin Console with an account that has admin privileges. Once you're in the admin home, look for security. Depending on your layout, it may appear in the left menu or as a tile on the dashboard. Click Security to open the core security settings for your organization. Within Security, select Authentication. This is where Google centralizes settings related to how users sign in and verify their identity. From there, choose two-step verification. You're now on the page that controls whether users in your organization can use 2SV and how strictly it's enforced. First, enable the option that allows users to turn on two-step verification. Turning this on makes 2SV available to your users so they can start enrolling at their own pace. This is a great way to encourage adoption and let people set up their devices, backup codes, or security keys before you make it mandatory. Next, set enforcement to off. With enforcement off, 2SV is optional for now, which prevents lockouts for anyone who hasn't enrolled yet. This is ideal for a phased rollout, onboarding new hires, or testing with a pilot group. You can come back here later to change enforcement once you're confident your users are ready. After adjusting those two settings, click Save. You should see a confirmation that your changes have been applied. Most organizations see updates take effect quickly, but allow a little time for the changes to propagate across all accounts. A few tips to ensure a smooth rollout: let your team know what's changing and point them to their Google account security page where they can enroll. Encourage secure factors such as Google Prompts, an authenticator app, or hardware security keys, and remind them to generate backup codes in case they lose access to their phone. This small preparation step prevents lockouts and reduces help desk tickets. That's it. You've enabled two-step verification availability for your Google Workspace, kept enforcement off for now, and saved your settings. To recap the path: admin console, security, authentication, two-step verification, allow users, enforcement off, and save. When your organization is ready, return to this page and adjust enforcement to match your security policy.